First Coast's most accurate forecast from the First Coast News Weather Team, certified by WeatherRate, sponsored by AC Designs.
So I have radar pulled up right now, and it shows a chunk of rain moving on shore in southeast Georgia yet again and starting to pass down into Nassau County, the same areas where we have seen rain over and over again. And that's why there's a flood watch in effect. It does include Duval County, Nassau, Camden, and Glenn counties until 8 p.m. tomorrow, because we're expecting more showers to move on shore throughout tonight and into tomorrow in these areas that are already heavily saturated, and that means any rain that moves on could lead to more localized flooding. And of course, right now we have that rain that is pushing on shore. So a closer look at the radar right now shows you more steady rain over Woodbine. It's trying to move out of the Brunswick area, but it looks like there's a bit more behind you that's about to move on into the Brunswick area, and then it's pushing down towards St. Mary's as well. We have more scattered rain out to the west of that, a little bit near Waycross, and then we'll watch if this holds as it moves down towards the Folkston area. Meanwhile, heads up for an Indiana Beach, looks like an offshore band of rain about to move in towards you, of course crossing over places like Yulee as well, and maybe even Hilliard. We'll have to watch as it crosses south of Nassau County to see if it holds down into Duval County. But I am expecting more scattered rain, especially for those 4 counties under the flood watch over the next couple of hours. And then even overnight tonight, we could get a little bit more shower activity. Our future radar shows while a lot of us are sleeping, we'll expect more showers to move on shore yet again back in those flood watch counties. Now, as we head into our Sunday, that will be the bullseye again, but similar to today, we could get spotty showers and maybe even a few isolated thunderstorms popping up elsewhere too across the First Coast. Tomorrow will be very similar to today. So as we head into our Sunday, we'll have more coastal rain and then the scattered inland rain. Temperatures staying in the 80s again tomorrow after morning starting off in the 70s. As we head into our Monday, I'm still expecting rain, maybe just a tiny bit less than what we saw today and what we will see tomorrow. A 60% coverage of rain on our Monday. Temperature still staying in the upper 80s, and we'll still have that onshore breeze. It will be east northeasterly by Monday. It's northeasterly today and again tomorrow. Then we look ahead to our Tuesday, and that's the big difference. Temperatures hit 90 degrees again. So more scattered rain on Tuesday, but we'll start to see the heat building. Now 90 degrees, that is what's normal for this time of year. Our average high is 90, and we're going to start to surpass it later into the work week. Temperatures will start to jump up, and that's because we're going to have more sunshine. The breeze is going to relax. We're going to have less coverage of rain. So Wednesday, Thursday, and even into Friday, those are our drier days, but our hotter days. I always love showing this. Quick check on the tropics. No tropical activity expected in the next 7 days. So more rain again tomorrow, even on Monday and Tuesday. And then as we dry out, we heat up for the middle and end of the upcoming work week.